In this video, we will go over the player editing tools and its keyboard shortcuts in CaseGuard. You can use the editing tools to drop segments of your video or completely cut half of your video if it's unnecessary for your redaction purposes. You can also merge multiple videos and change the speed of a file or take a snapshot of a video. To begin, let's add a video file. First, let's go over the keyboard shortcut keys for the player. To play or pause the video, use the spacebar. To move forward one frame at a time, use the right arrow key. To move backward one frame at a time, use the left arrow key. To move forward 10 frames at a time, use the close bracket key. To move backward 10 frames at a time, use the open bracket key. To move forward by 1 second, use the up arrow key. To move backward by 1 second, use the down arrow key. And to speed up your video by 5%, use the Shift Q. To slow down your video by 5%, use Shift S. Now, on the left side of the screen, the toolbar appears and we can select the tools from the Edit section. The first tool is the Cut Media tool, which keeps the selected portion and cuts out the rest of the video. To apply a cut, we can enter the exact start and end time in the fields here if we already know the timestamps. I will use Delete from all frames to show other ways to do the cut. Or if we are unsure, we can watch the video and while it's playing, click on the Capture Start Time icon and then the Capture End Time icon to populate the start and end times. We can also click and hold this icon while the video plays to capture the start and end times. The keyboard shortcuts for this are Shift-Z to capture the start time and Shift-X to capture the end time while the video plays. Another way to select a segment of the video is to highlight the audio wave directly with your mouse. And now click Cut Segment and Export to get another file with just the selected segment instead of the full video. Another editing tool is the drop segment, which allows you to delete multiple segments of the video and stitches the remaining segments together to have a seamless video. You can delete a segment using the same methods as the Cut Media tool by using the icons or keyboard shortcuts to enter the times or highlight the audio. Then click Drop Segment and export once you have all your segments deleted. Another tool is the Merge Files tool. This lets you merge 2 or more files from your project, creating one video. You can add and edit a text frame to go in between the videos as well. Click Add to Tasks, which will add it to the task list where you can export. The Change Speed tool can increase or decrease the speed of the entire video or a selected part. Use the same capture options to select the portion and click Change Speed, and when the video is exported, we can see that the selected portion is sped up. The last edit tool is a snapshot tool that allows you to take a picture of the video while it's playing or paused and export only that frame. Happy redacting!